Revolutionizing health professional education, the power of interactive tools. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Interactive tools have gained popularity in health professional education due to their potential to enhance active learning, engagement, and learning outcomes. Effective use of these tools can lead to improved patient care and healthcare quality. However, existing literature lacks comprehensive insights into their optimal implementation across different healthcare settings and disciplines, as well as strategies to ensure accessibility and inclusivity for diverse learners. This narrative review aims to address these gaps by exploring the impact of interactive tools on learning outcomes and knowledge retention, evaluating their effectiveness across various healthcare disciplines, comparing different tools for specific educational purposes, and identifying best practices for curriculum integration while ensuring accessibility and inclusivity. A comprehensive search of electronic databases, Medline, Embase, ERIC, was conducted to identify studies published in English from 2010 to 2021. The selection process included systematic reviews, randomized controlled trials, qualitative studies, cohort studies, and cross-sectional studies, while excluding studies in other languages and case reports. The inclusion and exclusion criteria were applied systematically to ensure methodological rigor. Data from selected studies were synthesized narratively. Interactive tools have demonstrated significant benefits in promoting active learning and student engagement, leading to improved knowledge retention. Specific tools, such as simulation-based learning, virtual patient cases, and gamification strategies, have shown varying levels of effectiveness depending on the educational context. Their successful implementation requires clear learning objectives, structured integration into curricula, and appropriate assessment methods. Ensuring accessibility and inclusivity involves providing multiple means of representation, engagement, and expression to accommodate diverse learning needs. While interactive tools hold great potential for enhancing health professional education, their effectiveness is contingent upon thoughtful implementation tailored to specific educational contexts. Institutions and educators should consider discipline-specific requirements and learner diversity when integrating these tools into training programs. Future research should focus on comparative evaluations of different interactive tools and their impact on student outcomes in diverse healthcare education settings. Introduction. Health professional education is essential for training doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers to provide excellent care to patients. In recent years, this education has been transformed by new technology, especially the use of interactive tools that make learning more engaging and effective. Tools like Mentimeter, Kahoot, Slido, AHA Slides, Quizlet, Poll Everywhere, EducaPlay, and Trivia Maker are now widely used in classrooms and training sessions. These tools allow students to take part in quizzes, answer polls, and play learning games, which helps them stay involved and better understand the material. This hands-on approach encourages active learning, improves focus, and makes it easier for students to remember and apply what they've learned in real-world healthcare settings. This review looks at how these interactive tools are being used in health professional education and highlights the benefits they offer. It also provides suggestions for how and when to use them in lessons. By sharing these insights, the goal is to help teachers and trainers use technology to improve their teaching methods and support better learning for future healthcare professionals. Conclusion. In conclusion, interactive tools have the potential to transform health professional education by promoting active learning, enhancing student engagement, and improving learning outcomes. Our review identified various benefits of interactive tools, including increased student motivation, knowledge retention, and critical thinking skills. However, The effective integration of these tools requires careful consideration of various factors such as the educational setting, subject matter, and student needs. In addition, ensuring accessibility and inclusivity for all learners is crucial. We suggest that future research should explore the best practices for using interactive tools in health professional education, evaluate their long-term impact on learning outcomes and patient care, and develop guidelines for their effective implementation. Overall, interactive tools represent a promising avenue for advancing health professional education in the digital age. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.